Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez. Welcome to my phonetic world. Today I'm going to talk about what is the importance of learning English. Okay, currently, English is the most demanded language in companies and business, which is why it has become the main tool to span professional and personal goals. As soon as you master the language, you will have access to more and better job opportunities. It is also a very important language to improve our access to education. It will allow us not only to study abroad, but also to access academic information such as essays and scientific tests published in English. English is the universal language, and this becomes an important reason when starting an English course. You will be able to communicate without barriers and different fields, from commerce and finance to leisure, religion, and culture. Okay, thank you so much.